The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 on the Weather Channel. And now, your local on the 8s.
A flood advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 39 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, rain with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 38. Winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Rainfall near a ½ inch. And on Thursday, rain and snow showers in the morning. High 44. Winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. And Thursday night, a mostly clear sky. Low 25. Winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Friday, mainly sunny. High 44. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Our week ahead.